If you were to pick up one thing, a topic, one thing that is an absolute must for today's children, that has to be gamified, what would your choice be?
Water. See, we have a common saying, all of us know, if there's going to be a third world war, which hopefully should not be there, but it's going to be on water. It's going to be water wars. Sometime if it's going to happen, few decades later. For that, you can have water games. Bring out this importance of water. I'll take an example, water games. In the next few months, we're going to have Akshaya Tritiya. What does everybody do? Go buy gold. Because they think gold is prosperity. No. Why did the Utsavam of Akshaya Tritiya come in the first place? Because that is the day the river Ganga started flowing south from Ganga Uttari. So it was going. From then it started Gangotri. Say it went Uttar and then it came down south, turned south and came. It was that's the day you celebrate Akshaya Tritiya for the flow. So Ganga is not just one Bhagirathi river. There Ganga denotes the flow of water. Water denotes prosperity. So for the land to be Bharata Varsha, to be prosperous, you need water to be prosperous. And you have 1,000. And water is, while Varuna, as she said, is a masculine form, all water bodies, 99% of water bodies are feminine. That's a fact. So water games is something you can think of where it says that the importance of understanding water for each person as family. And who provides the water? The lady. Till 1857 in this Bharata Varsha, all the water bodies were owned by women, by the Stree Shakti collectively. In the War of Independence of 1857, the British saw that they needed to break our backbone. They said, how do I break your prosperity? By taking control of your water body. So they introduced a new department called CPWD and wrested the control of the water from the women and gave it to the men. So I always say, till the mishandled it, water bodies were prosperous and well handled by the civilization. From when they took it from the mis and gave it to the men, it became mismanaged. That's a fact of life. It's absolute. While it's in humor, it's in jest, it's in comedy, but it's absolute crying fact of our civilization. It's been mismanaged since 1857. So we had two blows. One in 1857, by statute, it was taken out of the men and taken out of the women and given to the men to the CPWD department handle water. In 1957, 100 years later, due to political writ, it became desecularized. Till then, waters were divine. She still holds water divine. So, waters were de-divined and made secular. So, we started making it garbage bins. So, in 100 years gap between 1857 and 1957, we removed the legality of water being held by women. That's why all the rivers, all the lakes, all the ponds are named after feminine. So we removed that one. We removed the feminine nature of water. Next we removed the divine nature of water. So once it was done, one was legal, one was by statute. Done. So by dual blow,
so water is this.
Water is a big game for
hashtag water is the new gold for Akshaya Tritiya.
It's the original gold. No,
we'll go with that hashtag.
No, excuse me. So not a new gold.
Water is a gold.
No. Gold follows water. Water doesn't follow gold. Let's be clear. Where water is, gold will go there.
Sure. Thank you very much.